Yeah. That's what my guess is.
They're going to walk him, Joe.
Think so?
Yep. Yeah, they ain't pitching to him.
There's a pitch.
Oh, look at that. What was that, a curveball?
Yeah. Come on, John.
I didn't see it.
Pitch.
Good. Let's go, Jay. Stare at it, baby. So that curveball over the woods, kid.
Oh, thanks for watching. Excellent. No. Don't miss that.
You just missed it. Hey, hi, how you doing?
Not you, leave it.
Let's go, Jay. See it, baby. He's got 4 already.
No, like this game.
No, not this game.
Come on, John! Come on, 1, 2!
That's out of here. That's out of here. Atta boy. That's out of here. See ya.